Hello and welcome to a new video of Sun Nomads. In this video we will share the pros and cons about the archaeological sites of Tulum and Chichen Itza and help you decide which one to visit if you can only visit one due to limited time or other reasons. Enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up and let's get started. So here are the pros and cons of Tulum. First, Tulum ruins is relatively easy and quick to reach from Cancun, Playa del Carmen or Tulum City. From Cancun and Playa del Carmen there are hourly Edo buses and colectivos to Tulum City. From there you can rent a bike for a reasonable price and cycle on bike paths to the ruins. Of course, you can also drive directly to the ruins with a rental car. Secondly, the ruins of Tulum are located directly at the Caribbean Sea. Therefore, the view from the path around the ruins to the sea is really extremely beautiful. In addition, there is usually some wind blowing and the climate is generally quite bearable. There are also some shady places where you can rest. Another advantage is that there are beautiful beaches nearby, such as Playa Paraíso, so that you can combine your trip with a stay at the beach. Depending on the conditions, you can also directly use the small beach section at the ruins to refresh yourself. Overall, the ruins offer a good insight into the architecture and life of the Maya. Advantages are the many information sites that are distributed through the sites, and therefore you do not necessarily need a guide to understand the Mayan culture. In addition, the entrance fee of 85 pesos is quite reasonable. Let's talk about the cons of the ruins of Tulum. One disadvantage is that the ruins are very crowded. If you think you can enter the ruins without queuing or taking pictures without people in the background, you will be disappointed. Another disadvantage is that you have to walk around a kilometer to get from the parking to the site itself. Now let's move on to Chichén Itzá and start with the pros here as well. Firstly, the architecture and buildings in Chichén Itzá are breathtaking and really well preserved. It is so incredible what people could create at that time with the simplest of tools that some people really believe that they could only create it with the help of aliens. The temple is a mathematical masterpiece and deservedly one of the 7 wonders of the world. It offers many visual and even impressive acoustic surprises. Secondly, those who wish can learn a lot about the Mayan culture in Chichén Itzá, especially if you are guided through the site by a good guide, so you can imagine yourself even better in the world of the Maya. In addition, the temples are surrounded by jungle where many Mayans still live today. Chichén Itzá is also well visited and full of tourists, but in contrast to Tulum, the people here are even better spread over the huge area and you have the opportunity to take many beautiful photos directly in front of the temple without 20 people standing right next to you. A disadvantage is that Chichén Itzá is located in the middle of the heartland and therefore it is not only extremely hot, but the journey there also takes a little longer. In any case, it is hardly possible by bicycle. Another disadvantage is that it is significantly more expensive than Tulum because in addition to the entrance fee of 80 pesos for non-Mexicans, there is a tax of 453 pesos. All in all, we can highly recommend a visit to both facilities. Both visits are worthwhile without a doubt. If you have to choose between the two, we would definitely recommend Chichén Itzá for those who are mainly interested in the Maya culture. For those who want to have an uncomplicated first, short overview of the culture but would like to combine it with a beautiful beach, Tulum is the right choice. Thanks so much for watching. Check out our other videos and don't forget to subscribe. See you!